Hello. Now, what are we waiting for, Maya? Joey?
Yeah.
To do what?
Yeah.
Jump. Ready to go.
Downloading.
Downloading?
Downloading. Downloading.
Down lower?
No, downloading.
Downloading. We're downloading you jumping into the water.
Mommy,
Yeah?
the idea is to start this video just kind of the way.
Okay.
First I just walk in and then when I already cold, then right when I get warm. Because I'm scared of being cold, you know?
Okay, I'll start it now.
When I'm ready, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I just take off, not normally. This time I promise I will take off normally. I saw a sunfish, Mom.
Cool.
It'll start the way with Maya. Start with Maya. Okay? Maya, time to do your video. Maya, what are we waiting for?
What are we... No, you're staying there, right?
Yeah.
Come on up. Maya?
Good thing she was holding on to the ladder.
Yeah, well, she wasn't for a while. Are you trying to swim by yourself?
Yeah. No.
No, come on up.
That was the first. Let's hear from Maya of going in the water with no life jacket, no nothing, and no holding on.
Hooray. Good job. Wow, good frog swimming. That's great. Now big jump, Joe. Finish her off. I'll go in once I put my camera down.
Ready?
Yep. So
Set.
ready.
So you go.
Go.
Yeah!
Good job, Joe.